Hey guys, just got the windows put in. We're starting to clean up a little bit. We got some sawdust and just all kinds of things that we gotta clean up here. So
Gonna set up camp in a little bit.
yeah, we gotta set up our bed and stuff here, but we filled in that hole. We're gonna get this stuff here. Probably, I don't know, we're thinking about getting some food, but we're gonna fill these in fairly soon, so that'll be all filled in. And then
show them the moth. We got a friend.
Yeah.
Anyone know what kind of moth this is? He's been here all day.
It's pretty big. So we're just letting them chill there. So, but yeah, it's kind of a little update. I'm just cleaning up, and I just zoomed out. Wait, why was I so zoomed? Well,
they needed a close-up view. Ew.
Yeah, I guess. But yeah, just a little update. Just us getting cleaned up here. And there's the windows.
Coming together.
Yeah, it looks a little. Yeah, it looks a little off, but that's all right. It's all good.
Our first windows.
Yeah, it's our first everything. So, oh yeah, we got this door. Gonna be.
It's a closet door, but it's perfect for this spot.
Yeah, we cut off the top of it so it would fit there, and then we're gonna.
Another restore find.
Yeah, a lot of the stuff we try to get. We got some shingles that we got from the restore, this door. Just odds and ends, a lot of nails and stuff like that. So a lot of reusing and everything. So trying our best.
To be mindful and practical, eco-friendly, easy on the budget.
Yeah, exactly. All right, guys. Just a little update. We'll keep you guys posted. Definitely stay tuned, and give us a like and subscribe to us. Share with all your
sawdust.
Yeah.
What should we do with this sawdust?
I think we're gonna reuse it maybe in the toilet or something.
Cat litter.
Cat litter, yeah. All right. Well,
bye.
We'll keep you guys updated. See ya.